These little signs at the Dollar Tree, aren't they adorable? For $1, my gosh, you could do many things with this. So this one, I took this Waverly wax, it's brown wax, and I did the handle, the little beads in brown, and then I just took a red Posca pen and went around, and we're gonna do a little Christmas sign. Well, not vinyl, it's HTV. So doing little bells, look at that, that's so cute. And let me just get them placed where I want them. All right, and then I have my little Cricut Mini. Now, you know, you're not gonna, I have it on like a medium setting, but this is on wood, so we're not gonna use the same setting that we would on a t-shirt or something. Okay, so we got it on the wood here. And this one, you peel warm. Whoop, I didn't do it long enough. Let's do it a little bit longer. I'm gonna put this parchment paper, and usually I just stay in one place, move it to the next place, but I can tell I didn't get that enough. You can just look at it and tell, but I do have it on the medium setting. All right, you don't want to overdo it. So let's see if that was enough. I think so. It's bubbling up a little bit, so I'm gonna get it. All right. I'm gonna press it down a little bit more after I've already taken the plastic off. You want to make sure you use something like parchment paper because you don't want to get that on your thing. All right, so there we go. We've got the bells on there, and now we are going to put the little bow. So where do we want the bow? Can you see? I'm gonna bring you down. Here are my little bells. Here's the wood sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and we've put the bells down. Remember, we've got this on a medium heat setting, and we're gonna just align where we want our bow. I want our bow to go right there on that little thing. I don't know what you call it, like the stem of the bell. That looks good. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put this down because some of the vinyl's showing, and I don't want to get that on my Cricut. So I'm gonna press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do this on all kinds of wood signs. I use HTV on signs all the time. I love it. I love HTV. It's easy to weed. It doesn't bubble as much like regular vinyl. I'm just more of an HTV person. All right, so we did that one perfectly, and we're just peeling it up here. Look at that, you guys. All right, I'm going to go over it one more time just to make sure it's down good. I'm going to just kind of go around like that. Yep, just like that. I don't really seal vinyl HTV on wood signs, but I will probably do a little sealant on this part just to make it a little more shimmery. I'll just go across it with a little paint thing, but I won't put it on the vinyl. And I might put some words on it, I don't know. But it turned out really cute. So you can use HTV on wood. I recommend it. I think it looks great. I use it all the time on wood signs. So I do like it. I think it turned out great. I think the sign looks cute. Again, this is a sign from Dollar Tree. But then when you look at it over here, what I've done to it doesn't look like a dollar sign. So looks great. I'm going to hang it on the wall. Love it. I hope you like this project. Again, what I used was the Waverly wax in brown, a red Posca pen, a Dollar Tree sign, and the Mary Maid HTV. And I think it turned out really, really cute. And I think I'll put a little bow and we'll be done. I love it. Okay, this is another sign that I used HTV on. This, I traced my son's handwriting on a card that he gave me. And then I cut it out with my silhouette, and I used HTV and put it on this wood sign. Love it. Another idea for a wood sign. I did this one. Alexa, clean the bathroom. And she's going to talk to me now.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
See? Another wood sign in my bathroom. Love this. Hello, sweet cheeks. Guys, thanks for watching. Happy crafts.